And we'll spread the love, don't worry. We'll do cat videos and we'll do doggo videos. And then we'll do like pet videos. I love the change from like 2 brain cells to 1 brain cell. How? It's almost as if they like purposefully want to like, if I'm going down, you're going down with me. Give me a sip. Oh damn, bro, this is some horror movie stuff. Damn. So cute.
Climb me. Rise, my child.
Rise, my child. I summon thee. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh, that's gonna hurt. And does it know? Ow! Does it know it's doing that? Is that like, wake up, go get me some food? Alright, that was kinda ninja, my dude. That was sick. What the hell are you complaining about? Oh, damn, he's angry. And angry! Oh, what the hell? You got it, okay, hang in there, you got it. Damn, alright, okay, well. With finesse though, it saved it. Oh, damn. He really said that's what you get.
Sorry.
That's what you get, you hid my catnip. That is so impressive.
Don't click it like that. Put this over there. Here. Charger. Here.
Do it. Get out my face! Show stupidness.
Go play. Anywhere but under the stove.
Trying to teach me how to play it. Alright, see those scratch pulls are cool. Big Chungus is on the scene!
What are you doing? What are you doing in here?
Kelly, who's that?
He's helping with the electricity, the static on the clothing. Oh, nice grab! Oh, you messed it up though. Alright, well, you gotta still work on the. Oh, you stop it. No, leave it alone!
Oh my god!
You nasty! Oh my god!
Что произошло? Ne oldu kızım? Peri?
What's in the tongue though? Aw, that was so comfy looking. Oh, I thought it was getting into position. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that's cool. Wait, so then you could like let the cat. Cause if it's like a cat, right? Cause like doggos is like, I would be concerned with doggos, right? Cause it's doggos, right? But like with a cat, you could let that cat out at night while you sleeping. Like I would be concerned, right? You know what I'm saying? Oh damn, yeah, I would be concerned because there'd be other like truckers like trying to drive in, drive out. So maybe not. But like, it looked like he got him like a little thing. So maybe you could like take him out to poop and pee, but. I guess if the cat like understood to stay on your truck, that'd be cool, but it'd be too concerning that it might get like run over. I'll be scared. Nah, see, cause I'm trying to convert my car into a doggo, like a doggo transportation station. So my doggos can get in there like in luxury. You feel me? I want them to get more used to that and more comfortable with that. They didn't bring you a mouse? Oh damn! Oh, it made sure it was fresh just for you.
Does anyone have any advice to get him to stop doing this? I have put so much tinfoil on this TV. And
Why are you
I've tried
putting
double-sided
tinfoil?
tape. Nothing is working. I spray him with a spray bottle. He likes being sprayed.
At this point, it's just a challenge. You want to know what the real solution is? You want me to be completely honest with you, ma'am? Ma'am, you want to know what the real solution is? The solution is you put a freaking table right here, you nail a little like not a table. What the hell am I saying? You gotta nail up a little like thing so the cat can like sit and be up there. It obviously wants to be up there. It likes to be up there. I don't know why, but it likes to be up there. So like put a little something for it to perch itself so it's not standing on top of the freaking TV.
And I've tried
Put a little
double-sided
balcony,
tape.
a little...
Nothing is working. I
Yeah, like put like one of those little L brackets right there. Just like
spray him with a spray bottle. He likes being sprayed.
You know, come give it a little tit for tat. I love how they just sort of prank each other. What the freak? That's not a cat. That ain't no damn cat. You blind. Yuck. Oh, he got... He really went... What the hell? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, why would you do that? Well, you almost got it. You were close. I can't with those like stubby nose face cats. I can't lie. If I was like my guilty pleasure would probably be not now, like it's impossible, right? Because I got 2 doggos. But if I was to be like one of them like super rich boys that was like, ooh, let me buy one of them bougie animals. I got a munchkin cat. They're adorable. Y'all see the munchkin cats? Oh, that was slick though. It wasn't on purpose, but a good way to get down is learning. Camouflage. Just rude. Why are you teaching it that? Oh damn.
What are you doing?
Oh damn, someone got caught. Oh damn, hit it! Hit it under the couch!
I know what you're doing. I saw what you're doing.
Nah, you didn't see
You
nothing.
just hide them.
Nah, shut up. You didn't see nothing. And you got no evidence.
It's tomatoes.
Oh, it might be tuna though.
Tomatoes.
It might be tuna though. Bring it down here. Let me check for myself. I need to verify. Oh damn! Long live the king! Oh wow. Bro, get your ears pierced. Aye, it's yours. Damn. It's a ball. But you scared of the ball? Right? You did that to yourself.
Walter.
Oh, that's how it starts.
Walter, now why? Oh my god. You're unrolling the whole thing. No.
Now, what I tell you? I told you, this is how it starts! This is how it starts! I'm lying in this cage, mama. Actually impressive though. You know what? I didn't know cats had so much utility. Is that a piece of bread?
It's just bread.
It's alive!
Spilled the sugar. Reggie, get. Reggie, look at him.
This should have been more levels. Is that another cat? Oh, it is. Bro, it's like lion instincts. Damn, he got you. Bro, he Mufasa'd you. He got you with them lion instincts. No, what's that lion? What's the Mufasa? What's the Lion King's mom's name? Nala. Look, even these cats are like, Timmy, you stupid. You ain't getting in there, stupid. Oh, it's a Siamese cat! Oh, those things are cool.
What are you
We are Siamese, if you please. We are Siamese, if you don't, please. Damn, nah. The problem is that he went for it. No, see, the cat was gonna accept you. It's like, what, bro, it's like in Minecraft. You have to let the Gato approach you. You see, but you see, he reached out to it and it scared it away. Ayoo, Monodachis! Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also find links to the videos that we reacted to today down in the description below, along with my Oshi marks. I'll see you in the next video, Monos. Goodbye, and thank you so much for swinging by. Salut!